What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we're gonna check out BamBam. Who Are You? Featuring Soulgi of Red Velvet. I didn't expect this like collaboration, but I'm not mad at it at all. So I'm really excited when I heard BamBam, since BamBam killing his solos since Ribbon though? It might be in my top 21 songs of 2021, which I'm making a video on, which you guys should look out for. BamBam, Who Are You? Featuring Soulgi of Red Velvet. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Guys, if you haven't already, go follow the Discord, link in the description. Join other K-pop fans and other people that watch my channel and watch my Twitch, and join along in this amazing Discord server. So come through, link in the description.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Alright, BamBam, let's get into this, let's go. Let's begin. I don't know. Who am I? Is there? Wait, hold on. Is there? Oh, there's no English subtitles. Alright, it's all good. It's all good. Damn! He just come in through like that. Alright, let's go. Ooh. Ooh, hearing Soulgi's voice in the background. Okay, collab. Bro. Okay, let's go English. Oh, who moving that chair? Ooh, let's go Soulgi's voice. Oh, they're barefoot as well, like contemporary kind of dancer, no? If I'm not mistaken. Okay. Ooh. This is already like really beautiful, the way that like they're dancing with each other. Oh. I don't know who I am after this. Oh my god. This is legit the collab I did not expect, but I'm glad it's happening. Oh, he in a maze. Oh, what is that? There's like a cube. Ooh. Are those mirrored cubes? His voice and her voice, like... Ooh, she literally lifted his, like... What you gonna say? Oh, dope shot. Let me see that again. Hold up. Ooh. Remember when people were doing that TikToks where you just like lie in the bed and then it just goes to another like thing like that? That's what it reminded me of, but on a more way professional scale. Ooh, the la. I love it. I like that lo-fi vibe too. But it's like with the choreo and everything. Is that it already? Oh, I want more from them. Really, I really do. Like more of dance, more singing. Interesting. Who Are You? Featuring Soulgi of Red Velvet. Oh, it's not done. Oh, Abyss Company. Is Abyss? Is that? Ooh. You know, also I feel like Soulgi needs more like, you know, love. I feel like this should be like more. I feel like she's underappreciated. She probably is like appreciated for sure, but I feel like there should be more like sulgy, sulginess. What does that mean? I don't know, but I'm basically saying love Sulgi. Alright, y'all, put in the comments down below what you guys think of BamBam and Sulgi's Who Are You? Do you know who you are? Do we know who we are after watching this? I don't know. I've been pretty slayed by this. I don't know about you. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of the song, music video, this collaboration, and the future of BamBam's like music. I'm very intrigued. From Ribbon to this, I'm like, alright. Let's see what else. I want more. Be sure to subscribe for more reaction videos. Also, I am mostly on Twitch. If you guys want to watch me on Twitch, I'll be on Twitch later today playing Five Nights at Freddy, which I'm not looking forward to because I get scared easily. If you're curious, I'm going to be live at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You should guys come through. Should be a good time. A little bit different from K-pop. And yeah, let's talk about more K-pop over there too. So follow the Twitch, follow the Discord, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want, I got IG, Just Random Every Day. Follow that. And my TikTok is at It's Stray. So yeah. Alright, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.